realized I forgot to turn my air compressor on. That's why that came off so weak. So we're changing out some steer tires. That's the Centromatic wheel balancer. That's what that thing is. It's full of, it's like sand. Anyway, you just slide it on top of your brake drum and it balances your tires. Air compressor kicked on, as you can hear. There we go. So that's just soapy water. I showed you how to break down a tire off of a steel wheel, but this is aluminum, so it's even easier. So we don't want to hit the wheel. Get as close as you can to it. There it goes. So keep in mind, if you have the ability to do this yourself, I'll show you the time it takes me. The time it takes me to take this tire off is $20 to have them take one off at a shop. So I've not really been timing it. $20. So here's the new one. I buy them from Amazon like in 20 packs. So 5/8 wrench. We'll take it off right down there. Hopefully I won't knock you over. Go. We'll run the new one in. Put this in my pocket so I don't forget. Reuse it. And then here's something that ran off. Oh, it's in my pocket. No wonder. Here's something pretty cool that I like. This is I guess you'd call it like a torque stick for valve cores. See, the end of it's for valve cores. You can't over tighten it. When it's tight enough, it just automatically slips. So on these, I kind of like to vac them off, and then I'll show you to reseat them. There it goes. See, can't over tighten it. So I really like that. So I think here, yeah. You gotta have it pointing out the hole so we can put air in it. So the only thing that goes bad on these is that seal. little O-ring or whatever, and it kind of sucks because you got to break the whole tire down to change this. So it's easier. I just always put a new one in it, especially with steer tires. There we go. This is actually, what is this? FS 591 Firestones. 295, 75, 22.5. And I've used Bridgestones for a long, long time, but because of COVID, I couldn't get them, so I had to run these Firestones, which is a sister company. I've actually got better luck out of these than I did the Bridgestones. So what I'm going to use for tire lube is peanut oil from last Thanksgiving. And it actually works really good. It's very slick and it's, you know, biodegradable, I guess. So I guess we'll get the little yellow dot. There's a little yellow dot. And some people say that needs to go right where the valve stem is, so I'm going to do that. Actually, let's put that on the outside. There you go. When you're doing tires, it helps to have a extra couple bricks in your pocket, if you know what I'm saying. Way more than I used to, and it's actually easier to do tires when you weigh a little more. When you're a little pipsqueak, you're not heavy enough to really do it. Looky there, $20 more. Booyah! We can move this. Oh, I'm way off. Here's the dot. Try to spin this. There we go. Now I'll get a 5-gallon bucket, seal this up. Now, I don't know if we'll have to use the bead blaster or not. Yep. Do you hear that? No, the compressor's not running. That's the sand running around in that. So they're called Centromatics. So they were on my other truck, and I put them on this one. How I tighten the wheels up is I go, and you don't kill it, I go bottom, bottom, top, side, side, and then start going around easy and a little tighter. You don't want to just tighten up one side real tight. It might bind and then come loose going down the road. I'm always paranoid after putting any kind of wheel on. You know, first time I stop, I always check the lug nuts, and I've never had one come loose, but you know what I mean, it could happen. There you go. All right, appreciate you watching.